नाउ थर्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट टू स्टडी डी मॉर्गन्स थ्योरम. ठीक है, सो इन द डी मॉर्गन्स थ्योरम देयर आर टू डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ. डी मॉर्गन फर्स्ट लॉ इज NANDing, or you can say when the output of NAND gate is NOTed, it is equivalent to the NOTed input OR gate. ठीक है, and the second De Morgan's second law is dual of this, that is when the output of NOR gate is NOTed, it is equivalent to NOTed input AND gate. ठीक है, now we will verify the De Morgan's theorem. ठीक है, for this we will use the input switches. So we have used two wires for one switch, so we have to verify. So you can see we will apply to the output NOTed AND gate. ठीक है, and the NOTed input OR gate. ठीक है, so we will apply these switches to the first through the NOTed input, then OR gate. ठीक है, and the output of AND gate is connected to the input of another NOT gate. ठीक है, and the output of this will be connected to the output LEDs. ठीक है, so we will apply these input switches for, that is the right hand side, that is the one switch is connected to the one of the NOT gate, and second switch is connected to the second NOT gate, and the output of these two NOT gates will be connected to the input of OR gates. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट NOT gate is connected to the input of first OR gate. ठीक है, you can use any of the OR gate. ठीक है, and second NOT gate output is connected to the second input of the same OR gate, and the output will be connected to the output LEDs. ठीक है, so we'll connect this output to the output LEDs. ठीक है, it is the right hand side arrangement, and for left hand side arrangement we will use the AND gate. ठीक है, so this input switch is connected to the one of the input of AND gate, and second switch is connected to the second input of same AND gate, and output of that AND gate is connected to the output LEDs. ठीक है, so for verifying the De Morgan's law, both LEDs should be glown or off at the same time. If one of the LED is glown and the second is not glown, so then the theorem will not verify. ठीक है, so at the same time both of the LEDs, output LEDs must be glown, so verifying the theorem. ठीक है, so what is that? It is the AND gate and output is connected, NOT gate is connected at the output. ठीक है, so it is the truth table. ठीक है, so for 0 0 output is 1, for 0 1 output is 1, for 1 0 output is 1, and 1 1 for output is 0. The same will be A bar B. ठीक है, A into B whole bar is equals to A bar plus B bar. ठीक है, now the two inputs are 0. Sorry, output of this AND gate is connected to the input of one of the NOT gate, and the output of this NOT gate is connected to the output LEDs. So you can see the two inputs are 0. So for 0 0 output is 1, so both the LEDs glown. ठीक है, for 0 1 output is again 1, for 1 0 output is again 1 1 1, that is both of the circuits having the same output 1 1. ठीक है, and for 1 1 combination output is 0 0, that is A bar A into B whole bar is equals to A bar plus B bar for all the combination. We have verified. ठीक है, it is the De Morgan's first law. Similarly you can verify the De Morgan's second law, that is the same arrangement for OR gate and NAND gate, vice versa. We will exchange the arrangement for NOR gate and OR gate and AND gate. ठीक है, सो जो हमने अरेंजमेंट OR गेट के लिए किया वही अरेंजमेंट हम अभी AND गेट के लिए करेंगे, और जो अरेंजमेंट AND गेट के लिए किया था वो अरेंजमेंट OR गेट के लिए करें. सो यू कैन वेरीफाई द De Morgan's second law.